I remember when I first brought home Yoda, my first Beagle. He was full of energy, always exploring, and to be honest, a bit of a handful. One of the big decisions I had to make was whether or not to neuter him. It wasn't easy, but looking back, it was definitely the right choice for both of us. If you're considering neutering your Beagle and wondering what changes you might see, I'm here to share what I learned from my experience with Yoda. Before Yoda was neutered, he was quite the explorer. He loved to roam and had a strong urge to mark his territory. This meant that he was always sniffing around, looking for places to lift his leg and leave his mark. Inside the house, this behavior was pretty frustrating because he would sometimes mark furniture and other objects. It's a way for dogs to communicate and claim their space, but it's not exactly fun for us humans to deal with. After neutering, one of the first changes I noticed was a significant reduction in his territorial marking. Yoda didn't feel the need to mark every tree, bush, or piece of furniture as his territory. This made our home life a lot cleaner and more pleasant. It also reduced his urge to roam. Before, Yoda would always try to escape the yard to go on adventures. But after the surgery, he was much more content to stay close to home. Another big change was in his overall demeanor. Yoda used to be pretty high-strung and hyperactive. He always seemed to be on the lookout for something to chase or investigate. After neutering, he became calmer and more relaxed. This made him much easier to live with, especially in a house with limited space. He still enjoyed his playtime, but it wasn't as frantic as before. Aggression can also decrease with neutering. If your Beagle has been a bit aggressive with other dogs or animals, neutering can help tone that down. One thing to keep in mind is that neutering isn't a magic fix for all behavioral problems. If your Beagle has anxiety or fear issues, neutering might not help with those. In fact, some dogs can become more anxious after the procedure. If that's the case, it's a good idea to work with a trainer or a vet to find the best way to help your dog. On the other hand, some owners notice their neutered dogs can gain weight more easily. After neutering, your Beagle might have a lower metabolism, so you'll need to watch his diet and ensure he gets enough exercise to stay in shape. Regular walks and playtime are still super important to keep him fit and happy. Overall, neutering has a lot of benefits for both you and your dog. It can help reduce unwanted behaviors and make your Beagle a more enjoyable companion. Plus, it has health benefits, like reducing the risk of certain cancers and prostate problems. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Beagle care videos. Later!